afternoon and good night. Another day on vacation and we're heading to breakfast. Breakfast time, No, just roll out of bed and heading into breakfast. In there sound full, so I don't know what it's gonna be, but let's see. Sarah, say good morning. Boys, say morning. Come, we're going in. See the milk inside. All right, how we find milk for her, please. Come on, let's go find milk. Yes, we are her. Where? Touch it. Show me. Yeah? It's better? Alright, let's have a look into breakfast. Take a French toast. Okay, breakfast time. Discovering the property and I realized that there are iguanas on the property. Somebody save me. Oh, I need to find the gym, huh? Oh, I need to find the gym. Which one? The gym or the other? The gym. Easy. I wonder if the gym is somewhere up here. Anyway, you guys, iguana is on the property and I'm scared, surely. But we're discovering right now. We're walking around trying to get familiar with the place so we can know where we're about for the next few days. Aha! The Terra Lac is here. Oh, I see a kids park with slide. Somebody is happy. Somebody, she didn't see it as yet, trust me. So there is a park, but it's a part of a kids club, so we'll see how that will go, because it starts at 4 years old and Sarah is 3.5, so yeah, I don't know, we're going to look for it.
I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up, head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb, and I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up.
First refreshments of the day, we're going in a little meeting. Yes, look Sarah, look. I have them taking photo in Mexico hat. Okay, wait. Come try, come use the camera, film me. Go, let's go.
Oh, the camera, I saw the phone. Hum hum.
In Mexico. That's the property. We're still exploring the property. Yeah, one thing doing it, they clean with strong chemicals. What you said they put, honey?
A lot of
Iguana negra everywhere.
Yeah.
the park. You can see the beach.
Talking about iguana negra.
Okay, there's some kind of activity happening here, but I'm disappointed that they don't have no kids area apart from the kids club. I mean, no little slide, nothing. Oh, it's a swing.
Okay, yeah, that's what they said. They do it for every age.
We have painting section. We're trying to head to the beach. Have to be. It's open and big.
Every night.
Ah. Oh, probably it's down here. We hear the sound.
Yesterday, I know it was also
it was more up.
beside.
Ah. Okay, so we're heading to the beachy. Where it's all going down. Yes, this man I take his son boy in can. Jaja. Snack bar. Whoa, miss the hot dog. Yeah, snack bar. You know I'm gonna lunch. Yes, yeah, but Sarah, come. You have bar over here. Sarah, this way. Ah, the kids' pool is over there. Wait, Sarah, wait. You guys, I went to the bar to get snack. So I got some hot dogs. This one's full of pepper for me. I asked them for 4, but they gave me 5, but okay. I forget to put ketchup on that one. And I got milkshake for the kids, pina colada. Of course, you can't come in Mexico and not have pina colada. And mojito for babe. Sarah, stop throwing the sand. Look at them. Yes. Where's the bucket? Go for your bucket. Go for your bucket. Go for your
Sarah. Sarah, prends le seau. Tiens. Allez, go. Go with Tai Tai, maman.
No, you carry it. It's for you. that. Okay?
I got to wash my hands. Yes, I know it's cold water.
Yes?
Can I go swim? What's wrong?
Take off your shoes. Alright, you guys. Oh, I'm tired. We're back from the beach. Beach was a success. The kid had so much fun. The water's a little bit cold, so I didn't submerge myself too much. And we are now heading to lunch, late lunch. So that's what we're up to right now. I'm gonna get back and shower. Yeah, but it's been a good day. You had fun? Yeah. Lunchtime at the buffet. Kids are having fries and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Fish, tortillas, fries, pork. Babe plate full of fandangos. Sarah plate full of fandangos, but she's enjoying every bit of it. Look at her, look at her. She's doing happy dance. She drink off her juice. I gave her mango juice and she drink it off. And I'm having chicken, some kind of veggie mix up and rice. So we made it to the kids club. Look who made it to the kids club. But the rules with the kids club is that once you're under 4, you can come with one parent accompany, and once you're over 4, you can come and stay all by yourself. Hi Sarah, you gonna slide? Oui, fais attention. C'est pas dit. Bravo. You see baby shark? You look so pretty on Valentine's Day. She said hi. You guys, happy Valentine's Day. I didn't tell you guys happy Valentine's Day today. I'm not wearing any red, but I shower my kids and put them in red. Hi Ty. The kids club look boring for Tyler. Ty, in there look boring for you, no?
Yes, but there's also Uno and Domino.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to find somebody to play with. They're not gonna want to play with you like that. Continue while you turn back.
Because this drink has no end.
Ah, okay. Careful, she's gonna fall backwards. She cannot go and swings like that properly. She have to hold, and her bottom can't be back too much. You going to slide? Whee! Good job. Papa pushing Sarah on slides. Sarah, hold on tight. Hold on tight, Sarah. I like that they have kids pool here. Dinner time, Valentine's Day dinner. Okay, I'm going. That's a first.
Yeah, get me another kebab.
Get you another what?
Kebab.
Okay. I'm going to go find some for me.
And let's
That's so
stop
fun.
chicken anyone.
We in gift shop on the street. Come on. Come on. Come to mama. Come. She's dancing. Come. Let's go pay. Pay. Bye. Go. Give it to her. Thank you. Ready to pay? You take cards? Hold on, let me check. So we're still having a Valentine's Day vlog vibe. Come.
Mama, look.
Yes. Pikachu. Don't touch. Come. No. Yes, I see. Don't touch. Come. A lot of gift shops with gifts and masks. I see a lot of skull. I don't know what with Mexican skull. I need to find out. Ooh, another shop. Sarah bought a mermaid. Show Fibs what you bought. Show Fibs mermaid. Look. Show them. Like it?
Yes.
Yes. 19. Let me see if Papa. Don't touch. No, 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 no. We're still walking in the streets, taking photos in every corner. I don't know what's the significance with Mexican skulls. I'm gonna have to find out. I have to find out this information before I leave here.